Welcome to a tiny home that feels like a poetic meeting between countryside simplicity and timeless European elegance. In this video, we explore how rustic charm and French country style come together in a beautifully crafted small space home. This tiny house proves that limited square footage does not limit beauty, warmth, or sophistication. Every corner is thoughtfully designed to tell a story of comfort, craftsmanship, and slow living inspired by the French countryside. From the very first glance, the exterior sets the tone for this enchanting, tiny home. Natural wood siding, soft neutral tones, and subtle stone accents create a rustic foundation, while classic French country details add refinement. Gabled roof lines, charming shutters, and warm outdoor lighting evoke the feeling of a countryside cottage. Despite its size, the home feels grounded, welcoming, and deeply connected to nature and tradition. This tiny home is more than just a structure. It is a lifestyle statement. The design philosophy blends rustic authenticity with French country elegance, celebrating imperfection, texture, and timeless beauty. Weathered wood, handcrafted details, and vintage-inspired finishes are balanced with graceful lines and soft colors. The result is a home that feels both relaxed and refined, perfect for those who value simplicity without sacrificing character. Stepping inside, the interior palette immediately soothes the senses. Creamy whites, warm beiges, and muted grays form the backdrop, allowing natural textures to shine. Exposed wooden beams, reclaimed flooring, and linen fabrics create depth and warmth. French country elegance is expressed through subtle ornamentation, while rustic elements keep the space grounded and inviting, making the home feel larger and more breathable. The living area is designed for both relaxation and visual harmony. A comfortable sofa and natural fabric pairs beautifully with distressed wood furniture and antique-style decor. Soft lighting, vintage accents, and curated artwork add layers of charm without overwhelming the space. This area reflects the heart of French country living. Casual comfort elevated by thoughtful design and a sense of timeless beauty. The kitchen is a true highlight, combining functionality with old-world charm. Shaker-style cabinetry, open shelving, and brushed metal hardware echo traditional French kitchens. A farmhouse sink, wooden countertops, and ceramic accents reinforce the rustic aesthetic. Despite its compact size, the kitchen feels generous, efficient, and full of character, making everyday cooking feel like a romantic countryside ritual. The dining area may be small, but it is rich in atmosphere. A handcrafted wooden table, paired with classic chairs, creates an intimate setting for meals. Natural light flows through nearby windows, enhancing the textures and finishes. This nook captures the essence of French country living: slow meals, meaningful conversations, and a deep appreciation for simple, beautiful moments at home. bedroom offers a peaceful escape infused with rustic romance. Soft bedding, layered textiles, and warm wood finishes create a sense of comfort and tranquility. Delicate French-inspired details, such as curved headboards or vintage lighting, add elegance without excess. This space proves that even in a tiny home, rest and luxury can coexist in perfect harmony. The bathroom continues the design story with understated sophistication. Natural stone textures, classic fixtures, and soft lighting create a spa-like atmosphere. French country elements appear through vintage-style mirrors and subtle detailing, while rustic materials keep the space warm and authentic. The result is a bathroom that feels refined yet deeply relaxing, offering comfort beyond its compact footprint. This tiny home beautifully demonstrates how rustic charm and French country elegance can coexist in a small space. Through thoughtful design, quality materials, and a clear aesthetic vision, it delivers warmth, beauty, and functionality without excess. More than just a house, it represents a lifestyle rooted in simplicity, craftsmanship, and timeless appeal, proof that true elegance is not measured by size but by soul.